Hello together, with you as usual extruder, and today I have some new issue with my Silverblade. I come to my friend of mine in garage where my scooter stay and see this wet floor, and under my scooter they stay exactly here, and try to recognize what's going on. Then we check the engine and see here it's a coolant liquid. I open the cap. Look at this. It means that I change the cool liquid this summer. Everything was okay, and in the winter it's go to some kind of gel. Also here you see, it means that somehow different type of cooling liquid not really could work together, and now I try to repair somehow. I feel it, water here, and it stay, so water is available. So it means that try to open it here, and the water pump, just disassemble it. It's drainage bolt. And, water come. Okay. Good. It means the system somehow works. In these circumstances, before start the engine, we have to check if water come into cylinder. Here we go to open this window first. In my case, to reach ignition spark not so easy, because I add additional filter here. It's a fuel filter. So let's check. Is it? Yeah. You see, so far it's absolutely okay. So for checking the cooling system, first of all, should be found the leakage. What I do, you could see I already prepared for that. So this is the tube from radiator. I put some kind of drill. It's important, just diameter about 7-8 millimeters, and fix it. This tube was connected here, so disassemble and put the spare parts, just the same tube as you see, and I put here. As you see, it's just a nipple from tire. Everything here fixed, and I connect just a compressor. You see, I have this one. It's very comfortable, a small one, and then for this task, usually I use it for pumping my tires. So just connect it and switch on. The task it's 1 atmosphere. So automatically stop in 1 atmosphere, and you see it's keep. It's about 0.9, 0.8 atmosphere, what you see right now. So what does it mean? We have some air bulb, some air, extra air go to the compensate back. You see it here, down. Actually, the pressure, what should start? It should start from 1.1 atmosphere. You see, it's exactly marked in the cap. In my case, it's unfortunately about 0.8 atmosphere. It means that cap should be changed. The beta, of course, I changed it, but it's not critical. So I definitely keep it like it is. Also, today I already found some leakage was also here in this pipe. It's a second pipe, a big one, to radiator, and this fixation was not good enough. So I just put it more tight. Now I want to clean my system. The reason of this cleaning, it's last summer I made a mistake and I changed the coolant liquid, but I don't clean enough already existing system, and the liquid was not really good mixed. Therefore, I see some kind of gel inside of my system. Now I want to clean it at all, so not just drainage liquid, because it's not enough, definitely. It's do it just partially. So the system not completely clear if you just drainage with this bolt, very known, this one in the pump. Here the bolt just pull out and the cool liquid just go down. But it's completely not finished, not clean complete system. This was my mistake, and now I have to clean the complete system. Therefore, we assembled this cleaning system. It's this tube, what is go to from radiator, the small one, connected to the pump. This pump from other DIY project. It's output of the pump. Input from the pump, it's here with this bottle. So bottle, just simple bottle for water, cut it and make hole here, one, and also you see a hole here. This is like a furniture for cleaning system. So the principle is like this. So pumping water from here, this direction, put to the system, and output here. This should be closed definitely, because pressure from this external pump big enough. Water come here, and that's all. So the pump itself work just with this switch from external Acum 12 volt. I will show you how it works. Let's switch it on. Now you see the water come in, and I just put the filter, so it just close. With filter it looks like this. So now we will clean it. So I disassemble this device. The dirty water will come here, and clean water will take in from this. So let's see how it works. We're waiting when this water will come completely clean. Volume of this, it's 5 liters, and you see it's enough. Right now it's water already clean. Let's check it. It's a little bit green, but just a little bit. So you could see you could say it's enough. So switch off. That's all. Now we are clean the system with sodium bicarbonate. I use this one. You need about 100 grams, a little bit less, for 2 liters. So just with hot water, I clean it, put in the system. What is important else? Unfortunately, with this cleaning system, we clean only radiator contour, but not a complete one. Therefore, time to time, I have to switch on the engine. The situation not really changed. With engine, it's also cleaned. In the best case, the clean should be during 30 minutes. But I see the water more or less clean. In my case, it's a hot, yeah, a little bit, 30 degrees, something like this. And I try to keep it about 30 minutes. Right now, open the drainage. You see the liquid more or less clean. It's good. Clean the system clean enough. So we completely pull out. You see also here the water go down. It's completely out. So it's enough. Just put it back with the drainage bolt. Okay. So now we will use citron acid. We need for 100 grams for 5 liters. Yeah, so it means that for 2 liters I need a little bit half of this package. Something like this. It's enough, and I prefer, of course, with hot water. That's about 2 liters, something like this. And then put it to here. Should be fill in the system of the bike. So it's enough if water already stay. So closed. Then just close it. Close completely, yes. And now start to system. Should works. As you can see, after 30 minutes cleaning, the water, it's a little bit bubbles, of course, but more or less okay. Small yellowish, I could say, but very little bit. It means that after 35 kilometers, 35,000 kilometers, the radiator clean enough, and it's not make sense to make this procedure what I show you right now. It makes sense for bikes and scooters with much higher kilometers. So
And now I just stop my system and open the drainage bolt. It should be completely out of acid, of course. Yeah, acid right now throw away, and one time put the sodium just for compensate the acid. Put the sodium water. And look at here, the water start. It means the system more or less filling. Yeah, so finished. Let's start. A little bit chemical reaction. Now it's okay. Yeah, system works. Start the engine. That system will be completely empty from acid. So engine change this long system. Yeah. It's enough, just few minutes, no more. So it's enough. Just switch off. Yeah, open here. So open the drainage. So next step will be fill out with working liquid, coolant liquid. Yeah. What is important that you should not clean system with fresh water. Yeah, should be very small sodium balance. This is important. So after sodium water, just close it. Now we have to disassemble the system. Now we put it back here like this. Yeah, good enough. And then tight it. Don't forget also the empty compensate bag. So compensate tank, it's not really visible, so I use this LED with this power bank. Yeah, put it here inside. Look at this. Yeah, so this compensate bag, compensate tank, and you could see from the side what is the level. Let me show you. Here, yeah, do you see this green? It's completely full. And now my task, make it empty. Disassemble this tube here. It's exactly in the bottom of this tank, and yeah, just suck liquid from this. Let's do it. I do this with my pump. It's easiest way. Just connect it. Yeah. Fill out the pump with water. Good enough. Switch on. Look at this. So nice, isn't? That's all. I also could put a little bit clean water again. It's just for cleaning this compensation tank. No more. Here, and then switch on the engine. It's clean enough. I will use concentrate G12 plus. It's production of Ukraine, at least trademark from Ukraine. So this concentrate usually 1:1, but we know that in the system I could not clean it completely. Therefore, I make it mix with 1 liter of this concentrate and half liter of water. It's once again I use water. It's a rainwater. It's soft enough. So look at the color. So funny and nice. So I just put it here half of that, something like this, and then the water. So first of all should be fill in compensate tank. It's not too easy to do this, but nevertheless I tried. We use this one with tube, put it inside, here, and now you see here, and also extra lamp. This one, it will be easy to check the level. Nice. You see exactly the level. So it's half of the tank. So let's put it here. It's a very good one if it's tight enough. And slowly just fill out. Try it, don't make it bubbles. Just very slowly. That's all. So finally, we pull out it right now in the level and start the engine. And low level go down. Therefore, you should compensate it. Some bubbles as usual. Now it's stable, you see. Scooter should start up to running system up to fan switch on. Exactly in this level, you see here 2 volume and ventilator already start to work. It's normal temperature for our scooter. Normally it's just one level, and when it heated, just 2 levels, that's all. After heating, you should switch off, check the level again, fill out, and start the procedure again and again. What you could do, for example, with this tube, you could just do it like this, and the tube should be hot. If it's cold, it means it's not enough level of the liquid. It's empty. It's definitely empty. So you should fill out again and again. I just do it with my device. Not so much. It's about 20 milliliters only. Finally, the system completely fill it in. So when you open the cap, it's just small part of liquid go away. It means that system completely fill it without air, and we could say yes, it's finished for change cooling liquid. So guys, with you as usually was extruder, and see you next time.